Hi all, this is Natural Hair by Angel Z for Curly Kinky Couture. I wanted to walk you through how to book on Styleseat. I know a couple of you had questions regarding how to create a profile, so let's walk through it now. If you go to your web browser, whether on your phone or a laptop, and you put in Styleseat, then you can look for me directly, Angel Z, or you can type in natural hair stylist. If you're looking for me, it's spelled AINGEELZ. Once you're on my profile, then you can look at the service menu and decide what you want to book. Each service has a brief description, a price, and a time frame attached to it. So once you decide what you want to book, let's do a steam treatment. Since that's the promotion for November, you would click add steam treatment and the list of days and times will pop up. But what you want to do is add an additional service to that, right? Say you want multiple services. So you add steam, and then say you want some coil twists. Then you will add comb coil twist. You see at the top there, it now says steam treatment and coil twist. So that's how you know those two are an option. That's what you're going to be booked for. And then you can pick the date and the time. Now, if you don't have a profile already created on Styleseat, what you could do is sign up. And all you would need to do is put your name, your email address in there and create a passcode. Once you have that, when you go in to log in, you're going to do that same exact thing. You'll put your email in there, the passcode that you remember, and it'll take you to your profile, and then you can find me. You know, if you're signing up for the first time, again, you're going to put your name, your create an email. Sorry, you're going to put your name. You'll use the email that you always use, and you'll create a passcode that works for you, one that you will remember easily, because this is going to be the thing you use when you book additional appointments in the future. All right, so you can save that. And keep in mind that you will need to put your credit card information in order to book with me. So that will be the next step. You absolutely cannot book without it. In fact, you know, if you decide to opt out at this point where you're entering your credit card information, your appointment that you booked, the steam and the coils, will not be saved and it will not get entered into the system. So in order to actually complete the booking, you would need to put your credit card information. This just ensures that if you are to cancel the same day or no show, that there would be compensation. I do charge a cancellation fee because people want to get in, and that kind of just you know, fills the book when somebody else could have had that time. So I do have a cancellation policy. Don't worry about entering your credit card information. I don't have access to it at all. In fact, I can only charge you once the appointment time has passed, and then I will have you sign as verification, you know, that you had the service with me. So it's secure. I don't have access to your information. Styleseat does do a verification of $1. So you'll see that come out of your account, and then they put it right back. So that's just to verify your account. But again, it gets stored, but it doesn't get charged until after your appointment. So don't worry about that. If you want to bring cash and you'd rather me not charge that same card during your appointment time, that's fine. But that was just a little brief walkthrough on how to book on Styleseat. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.